How does a company prepare for an uncertain future, changing markets, evolving technologies, and a precarious global economy? These were the challenges that faced our company in the year 2002. Philips is one of the three major players in the lighting industry. The relationship we forged would prove crucial. They advised us to consider one of three emerging LED markets. The first two were LED lights for TV lighting and general lighting. They were the easy roads, with ready technologies, quick to market, and early returns. Automotive LED lighting, on the other hand, was still an unknown, with unproven technology, a 5 to 8 year startup investment, with no short-term returns. How to choose would prove to be a crucial turning point for an LED light company. The automotive industry is an exclusive and guarded community of major car manufacturers and parts suppliers. For new players, entry is only earned by years of diligence, persistence, sacrifice, and a bit of luck. In 2002, the wheels were set in motion. LASTER embarked on a bold 5-year investment in engineering and people to figure out automotive LED lighting. It is ultimately about safety, about passenger lives. Let me tell you a little bit more. LED lighting for automobiles is about optics, the physics of light intensity, transmission, reflection, refraction, and color. It's about the mechanics of structural integrity in turbulent conditions. It's about material composition, weight, and costs. It's about thermal dynamics, regulating temperatures under extreme conditions of humidity, heat, and cold. LEDs are also extremely sensitive electrical components that require well-designed circuitry to ensure a stable electrical supply. And all of that needs to come together as a perfect design of style and function that will last the lifetime of your car. After 5 years of exhaustive effort and a helping hand from our friends, we had finally figured it out. The storm had shifted the playing field and uncovered sleeping dragons, but our current Dongguan facility was not sufficient for major car manufacturers like Volkswagen or General Motors. There was great opportunity, and we mastered the technology, but it was clear we needed a new factory. Change is about adapting to your circumstances in order to survive. We were determined, and we started our search for help. Sometimes you get lucky. 2 industry giants heard our call and believed in us, and we soon set to work on the Shanghai factory. By 2008, the Shanghai factory was completed, and we had secured important certifications. By that time, we had our first customer, but we were still years from production. You see, a project can still take up to 1 to 2 years from the start of design to the finished light module. It took 10 long years, and we had finally passed the last test and succeeded where others could not. In 2012, LASTER began mass production for the Buick XL. Being an early pioneer in automotive LED lighting paid dividends. In the next 2 years, LASTER quickly established itself as the largest supplier of automotive LED lighting in China. Today, LASTER is about growth, about having the right product in the right place at the right time. LASTER wholly owns the Shanghai factory and Dongguan factory, both of which are important profit centers. LASTER is a Tier 2 LED component company which supplies internal light modules to a Tier 1 company which assembles and delivers the finished light to car manufacturers. Because of Tier 2 specialization in LED technology and production, a Tier 2 company has the advantage of supplying 3 to 4 Tier 1 companies per car manufacturer. The entire industry chain from Tier 2, Tier 1, and car manufacturer is a conveyor belt. There's no room for delays, no room for idle inventory. Everything must be just in time. The importance of on-time development schedules, experienced line managers, and efficient delivery systems cannot be stressed enough. Both Shanghai and Dongguan have strategic proximity to Tier 1 companies with important logistical and cost advantages. The Shanghai location was designed to meet the high standards set by international regulatory agencies. Specialty technology and attention to detail are what our customers have come to rely on. Shanghai is the main center for project development, where teams have full access to factory and testing facilities to coordinate product development with manufacturing and quality control. The Dongguan factory is our original factory facility and has produced general LED lighting for over 10 years, but is now 90% dedicated to automotive LED lights. Currently, Dongguan production is about 30% the capacity of Shanghai, but remains an important piece in our future plans because of its proximity to Guangzhou, which has one of the largest concentrations of Tier 1 parts manufacturers. The Executive Committee convenes 4 to 5 times annually to coordinate activities between the 3 venues and brainstorm strategic direction. LASTER makes exterior automotive LED lights, which includes tail lights, brake lights, fog lights, turn indicator lights, and day runners. Our lights are being used by iconic car manufacturers from all over the world. A single project will bring a team together from manufacturing, Q&A, R&D, and logistics. A single light fixture might take 12 to 27 months, involving teams of engineers delivering up to 10 samples that may require 6 months of testing per sample. This complex orchestration of technology, factory, and delivery are unique features of LASTER's know-how. Optical, thermal, mechanical, and electrical engineering are very specific to automotive LED lighting and require specialized equipment and qualified employees with special skills. This is why LASTER prides itself on top-rated facilities and a long-term investment in people. Great quality is key to successful branding. Our zero-defect policies are constantly reviewing production line and development practice. LASTER's deep investment in testing equipment also boosts our ability to troubleshoot efficiently and catch problems early. Zero defect? Is it possible? At LASTER it is. The Shanghai and Dongguan factories have been recording zero-defect quarters consistently. Every item is tested. Any defect found on the production line is thoroughly reviewed to uncover procedures that need improvement. The Shanghai facilities also work very closely with our Japanese partners, sharing production line technology and constantly upgrading and improving. You can stand on any corner and know that there are a lot of automotive LED lights still to be made. With a strong head start in one of the world's largest economies and secure in our hard-earned place in the automotive market, we can feel the wind at our backs. Impending LED technology for headlights will release another huge wave of automotive LED production. Future electric and hybrid cars will rely heavily on energy-saving LED lights. And support from our friends in the industry always helps a lot. And who understands optics, electrical, mechanical, thermal better than LASTER? LASTER is about investment in people, attention to detail, the spirit of competition, and the courage to change. Lasting products, lasting relationships. We're LASTER Tech Corporation.